In problem number 5, they're giving us a diagram that says 3 squares could be arranged so that their sides form a triangle. So they're showing that these 3 squares, R, S, and Q, are forming this white triangle. And then they ask which of the cases provided would be a square that is a right, or the squares forming a right triangle. Well, if we think back to some ideas here for forming right triangles, we know that for right triangles, a squared plus b squared has to equal c squared. So if you notice what's happening in the Pythagorean theorem here, it says that there are 3 squares that are involved, and all of them have to form a right triangle. This one square right here, a plus b, has to end up equaling c. Well, if we take this option here, we know that c always has to be the largest of those numbers. So that means, looking at option A here, the largest number that I see is 36, so this would have to be C. Well, if I can take these other 2 numbers and add them together, 16 plus 25, 16 plus 25 equals 41. Well, 41 is not the same as 36, so I know that A is not going to be the option that works for this problem. Again, showing that with one other option, I can see that if I take 25 right here plus 36, which are the 2 smaller numbers, 25 plus 36 is going to give me, let's see, that's 55 plus another 6, that's 61, and 61 is not 49 right here. So these do not make a right triangle either. So notice what you're doing is you're just taking the 3 squares that they give you, and they're giving you possible numbers, and you're checking to see if they actually make the Pythagorean theorem true. If they don't make it true, then that means that they can't be forming a right triangle.